great. Well, I may not love doctors. I'm not afraid, however. I have the sniffles, but the party is more important. Let's
You're crazy!
I'm not sick! It's so hot in here. Gotcha!
Quite enough of your excuses. Go to your shed immediately. And you can stay there for the rest of the afternoon. And everyone else can get back to work.